Today we are going to learn action verb. So what is verb? A verb is a doing word that indicates action. For example, running, walking, writing. Let's learn more. Are you ready?
Yes.
Walk,
Walk.
run,
Run.
ride,
Ride.
sit down,
Sit down.
stand up,
Stand up.
fight,
Fight.
laugh,
Laugh.
read,
Read.
playing,
Playing.
jump,
Jump.
listen,
Listen.
dancing,
Dancing.
cry,
Cry.
think,
Think.
singing,
Singing.
write,
Write.
sleep,
Sleep.
throw away,
Throw away.
cut,
Cut.
eat,
Eat.
drinking,
Drinking.
bath,
Bath.
cook,
Cook.
wash,
Wash.
pull,
Pull.
climb,
Climb.
push,
Push.
open,
Open.
close,
Close.
talk,
Talk.
turn on,
Turn on.
turn off.
Turn off.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, kids. Hope you like it. Then like, share and subscribe our channel for more fun learning videos. Bye bye.